at the fundamental level, what we wanted to answer is there another system on top of the immune system? Underlying discovery, there is a neighborhood watchdog mechanism, which is pretty much working in every tissue organ. And it's basically keeping an eye on any extracellular entity or extra organ entity, or even within the organ, if there is a cell which is changing to a structure, to an entity which is not supposed to be there, can the normal cells of the body recognize it, and do they have the ability to act on it?
In a seminal discovery that we published in Nature in 2019, we identified that every cell in our body has a flower protein right on the cell membrane, and this flower protein gets exploited by the cancer because cancer has a tendency to hijack this system. And so we identified that the cancer cells usually express a version of this protein called flower Win, and they coerce the cells in their immediate vicinity, which are the healthy host stromal cells, to express a version of the flower protein which is flower loose, symbolizing that they're weak, they're unfit, and they need to be culled from the system.
By secreting this long non-coding RNA, it is forcing the cells surrounding the tumor to die back and make space. This was a first. For this cell to secrete a long non-coding RNA to influence the fate of a cell nearby is brand new science and brand new biology. And it opens the door to a whole new way of thinking about treating cancer. This is a protection approach, and it could not have previously been confirmed because they didn't know that this type of biology exists.
The clinical intervention, which has never been done before, to not target cancer, but to target the ability of cancer to gaslight the body and protect the body around the cancer, to deny it space, to deny it from growth. That's the clinical intervention which we think is the first way we can target metastasis. So we are not developing an anti-cancer drug. We are developing an anti-metastatic drug which emboldens and makes our body stronger to fight cancer.
It traps the cancer inside a box. It cannot spread, it cannot grow, it just stops it. And then you can apply some of the other standard therapies that we use in these cancers, and it wipes it out.
What we have been able to achieve at VCU, at Massey Comprehensive Cancer Center, is discovery of a first-in-class drug based on first-time discovered biology, that cancer actually has these different ways of targeting the body.
This is a paradigm shift because we are not targeting cancer. This is for the first time we are empowering, we are fortifying the neighborhood terrain to be strong enough to fight against the cancer and not be recognized.
The agent is protective in nature. That's why no toxicity. By design, it's non-toxic. It can be taken for longer periods. That's what we are trying to do in our clinical trial as well. The death rate for pancreatic cancer is between 94 to 97%, and the cause of death is metastasis. This strategy is looking at impacting around 5 million lives per year globally.
The ability to run clinical trials and the operational costs of doing so, and to fund the correlative studies to prove that what you're doing is happening, all of that comes from philanthropic donations to the Cancer Center. And that's how we move the needle.
This research is transformative. This is the first time we are working not on targeting cancer, but we are empowering the healthy cells. This is what is novel, and this is what is innovative about our research.
This is brand new science, this is a brand new approach, and there's a lot of new opportunities.